Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Home Cooking. If you like our content, subscribe to our channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare the yummy, tasty, crunchy chapathi roll. I have tried doing chapathi roll in different ways, but this method is very easy that even bachelors and beginners find it simple to do. So let's start and see the ingredients required for making the chapathi roll. Wheat flour for making chapathi dough, chopped onion and tomato. I am taking capsicum, carrot and potato. You can also add cabbage, beans, peas as your wish. I have taken paneer, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, red chilli powder and coriander powder. Today, let me tell you some health benefits of capsicum. Many of you know the importance of carrot and potato. So, I thought of sharing the health benefits of capsicum today. Capsicum is also rich in vitamin A as carrot. It also contains vitamin C, which improves your immune power. It is also rich in vitamin K. Capsicum keeps your hair and skin shiny. Having said that, now let us see how to prepare the stuffing for the roll. First, take a kadai and add oil. Now the oil is hot and I am adding jeera. Jeera started spluttering. I am adding onion. Now the onion became translucent. I am adding ginger garlic paste to it. Cook till the raw smell goes. And now I am adding tomato. Cook well till the tomato becomes soft. The onion and tomato are cooked well, so I am going to add the veggies to it. First I am adding carrot and now capsicum. And now potato. After adding all the vegetables, I am mixing them nicely. After mixing well, I am adding salt, one teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoon garam masala powder. And then adding red chilli powder, after adding all the masala, I am mixing the masala and vegetables nicely. Add very little water and close the kadai and then cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, open, stir well and again close, cook for another 2 minutes. Now, after 2 minutes, the vegetables are half cooked. I am adding paneer to this. Some amount of grated paneer I am adding to this mix. Now I am mixing the paneer and vegetables. Cook for another 2 minutes. The vegetables should not be fully cooked because you may not get the crunchiness while biting. So, switch off the flame when the vegetables are half cooked. Next, I am going to make chapati. Chapati need to be done as usual. When the chapati is ready, place the stuffing inside it and roll as I am doing.